Hey guys, so we are back with a flavor update on our blizzards. So we wanted to try the key lime cream cookies. And then we have our vanilla light ice cream. And I like toasted coconut, so I'm gonna put toasted coconuts.
Sounds good.
So yeah.
3 simple ingredients there. Not too bad. For me, it would be 2 because I'm not doing the toasted coconut.
Well, yeah, obviously, toasted coconut is optional.
So we have our cookies smashed, ice cream ready to go, and it's just this simple. And I love this. I'm such a fat boy. I love ice cream and cookies. I love ice cream. Just dump the ice cream, you dump the cookies, and you go ahead and mix it.
Go ahead.
Oh yeah, and these are really pretty cookies. This one looks nice too.
Yeah.
Has a nice look to it.
It's a nice aesthetic.
Yeah, the key lime is nice.
I want to get all the extra
little cookie bits in there.
all the cream.
All the creamy.
Oh, somebody at my feet here. Hello. Do we know you? No, Smokey.
You're a cat.
He hit his treat button. He's looking for a treat.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that, and yeah, it looks awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Every time I make this, it just really looks really good. And then after this, you're going to just go ahead, put the lid on, put it back in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes, and we just let it sit, and it still stays nice and soft pretty much. It's almost like a soft serve after you mix in these cookies. There you go, and it's really, really cost efficient, which is what it's all about with cost cutters here. We're just trying to cut costs any which way possible and get you to keep more of your money. So it's settled, and we're going to go ahead now. We're going to scoop it out. And here we go, guys. Just like that. It's delicious. It's like a soft serve and just like a blizzard. Guys, thanks for watching, and if you're enjoying these cost cutter videos, please remember to like and subscribe. Oh yeah, there's a toasted coconut. Go ahead. Not on mine, though. I don't want to ruin mine. Just kidding. Thanks for watching, guys.